Example 4, simplifying compound fractions. The first thing I want you to do, you see a fractions inside of a big fraction. I want you to rewrite it so it looks nicer. Remember that this fraction line is just division. So we're going to have this 2 over x plus x over 4 divided by, so this equals that x plus 1 over x. This looks like something that's a little bit more manageable than having this big fraction. Our next step is we're going to combine this into one fraction. Okay, so I need one fraction here and one fraction here. So I need to find my LCM here. My LCM is 4 and x, so I need 4x. I'm going to take that 2. It's over an x, so I have the x. I need the 4 times 4. Plus I need to have this x. I have that 4, I need that x, so times x over 4x. This one is already in one fraction, so I don't have to do anything. So x plus 1 over x. If it wasn't, then I'd have to do this as well. Let's go ahead and simplify that. 2 times 4 makes 8. X times x makes 8x, or x squared, over 4x. This simplifies to this. X plus 1 over x. Remember last time we learned when we divide, we keep it, we change it, and we flip it. So 8 plus x squared over 4x. Change that to multiplication and flip this upside down. If we can factor, we need to factor, but none of these actually factor. So the next thing we need to do, does anything cancel? Well, this x goes with this x. And since nothing else can factor, I'm going to bring over my top and bring over the bottom. And that is our answer. B. This one, so we're going to equal, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it, so x plus 1 over x squared minus 1. That's already in one fraction, it's nice. Divided by x over x minus 1. Okay, remember sometimes we have to factor. So x plus 1 over, this factors to x minus 1, x plus 1, divided by that x over x minus 1. I'm hoping some of you guys will start to be able to skip a few steps here. So maybe skip this step and go directly to x plus 1 over x minus 1, x plus 1, times, and remember to flip this x minus 1 over x. Okay, what is the same? We've got, this is the same here, and this is the same here. The only thing that is left is that x, but that x is in the bottom, which means I need a 1 on top. C. Once again, it is just like B, they're already in single fractions. So 20 over x minus 1 divided by 6 over 3x minus 3. So that simplifies to 20 over x minus 1. I can factor this 3 out, so 3x minus 1. I divided both of these by 3 and got 3 and x minus 1. Which equals 20 over x minus 1 times 3 times x minus 1 over 6. Well, my x minus 1's cancel. 20 times 3 is 60 over 6 makes 10. This one's more like A, where we've got to also add our fractions. So we've got 1 over x plus 1 over 2x divided by, and our bottom is x plus 4 over x minus 2. I need to get this into a single fraction. So our LCM, they both have an x, but this one also has a 2, so 2x. So this has an x, it needs a 2, so 1 times 2 plus, this already has the exact same thing, so that's just 1 over 2x divided by x plus 4 over x minus 2. So from here, go ahead and combine like terms. So this makes 3 over 2x. I'm going to go ahead and multiply this by the flipped, x minus 2 over x plus 4. Nothing here cancels. So when that happens, just write it all out. 3 times x minus 2 over 2x times x plus 4. Try this one on your own.